Hi, my name's Cletus Young. Today we're gonna go kill some deer. By the way, you ever came near killing a deer, left it laying there on the ground, it rained outside, next day you kill it, you cut it open and then you smell it? Oh God, it's heavenly, I'll tell you right now, man. Whew! It's better than baseball. So I got my pistol here. It was given to me by my granddad. He was in the Civil War. He liked long walks on the beach and killing deer. All right. Anyway, here we go. Now these deer, they're clever little creatures. They know everything you're about to do, and you got to be on your toes, or else, what the hell? Oh, this is gonna be a keeper. How many points is that? Whatever. Okay, should be very quiet when you do this, because the slightest move will set them off. Alright, deer, a.k.a. Kingdom Animalia, Phylum Chordata, Class Mammalia, Order Artiodactyla, Suborder Ruminantia, Infraorder Pecora, and Family Cervidae. Get ready to meet your maker. Oh my God. Ah! Why? Why? God damn it. Ow. He shot me in the ass. Why did you shoot me in the ass? Oh my God. Oh my God, I shot John Deere. Why didn't anyone tell me? Oh wait. Well, that makes a whole lot more sense now. What should I do with him? Should I just leave him? Let someone else. Or should I go home and take him to my horse and feed him? To my dog, Rusty the dog. Oh God, this is such a difficult decision. Oh, no. John Deere. What?
Yippee-ki-yay, my dead illiterate friend. Howdy, partner. Happy trails, laborer. Did I throw a wrench into your plans? Not much of a quick draw, are you, partner? Giddy up now? To hell!
John Deere is a killer!